Hello everyone, this is Disha. I'm glad to inform you all that Satish Sharma Yoga Health is one of the best YouTube channel I came across on YouTube. As I'm a student, so this channel have helped me a lot in my studies as like how to focus, how to relax my mind and body with his best yogic pranayams and breathing techniques. So this channel have helped me a lot in overcoming all my fear, all my anxiety about my future, about my career. Now I am very relaxed and composed. Thank you so much sir for all your efforts, and guys, this is one of the best YouTube channel for all the teenagers and youngsters here. This is a must watch channel and do subscribe Satish Sharma Yoga Health. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Diksha for your lovely feedback and comments. This is for all students, and as you can see ki certain breathing technique will make out of you anxiety and fear, and it will help out you to concentrate on your studies. There won't be any more anxiety and fear. So I will show you one more breathing technique which will be very much helpful to concentrate your mind on your studies. What do you have to do? Just sit like on the chairs. This is the open, palms on your thighs, and just chin up your face towards upwards towards the ceiling. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Now what do you have to do? You have to just inhale from your nostril, from your nose, and exhale it from your mouth, and just concentrate between the eyebrows to the Agya Chakra. Now what you have to do? Inhale and exhale. Let us start for the process. Just inhale in a 4 count and exhale slowly and gradually in the 6 count from your mouth. Now, no need to count, just you inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth. Let us start now. Inhale from your mouth. Inhale from your nose, from nostril, and exhale from your mouth. Again, inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth. You can repeat this process up to 20 counts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale from your mouth and exhale from your mouth. Now inhale from your nose, from both the nostril, and exhale from your mouth. Now again inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth. Now in between you inhale from your mouth and exhale from your mouth. Now again inhale from your nostril, from your nose, and exhale from your mouth. You continue this process as much as you feel comfortable, up to 20 counts or approximate up to 5 to 6 minutes, and then just slowly and gradually concentrate on your breath from the nostril to the Agya Chakra, like between the eyebrows, and from between the eyebrows to the nostril. Just observe this, your flow of inhale and exhale. Slowly and gradually breath is coming in and going out. You have to observe your breath and concentrate your mind between the eyebrows, like here at your Agya Chakra, and relax the body as much as you can. Whatever the thoughts are coming out, let it be. Thoughts will come and they will go, and just observe your breath. It's a very beautiful technique, you know. If you do it for the 5 minutes, that as I told you, you have to inhale from the nostril and exhale from the mouth. Inhale from the nostril, exhale from the mouth, and in between 2 to 3 breaths, you have to inhale from the mouth and then exhale. But after that, again, close your mouth, inhale from the nostril and exhale. This you have to do at least 5 to 6 minutes. And after that, just relax in very calm. Your palms will be like this on your thighs, and just observe your breath as much as you can. Very slow, it's coming and going slowly and gradually, like in this position. and relax your mind. The thoughts will come and go. Never mind. Whatever thoughts is coming, let it be, accept it, and just relax the body. It's a very beautiful technique. Definitely it is going to help it out in your studies, on your concentrating, as Diksha has already told you. Thank you so much for watching me, for subscribing me, for loving my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you Diksha. Jai Mahakal, Jai Gurudev, Jai Hind. See you in the next session. Tab tak, get chill. Thank you.